A pleasant welcome to all the students. Myself Shabana Anjum, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce and Management, and I am from Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. The session for today's discussion is session 43 of Advertising and Media Management for 5th SEM BBA students of Bangalore North University. The topic for today's discussion is advertising decisions and media schedule. As you know, in our previous class, we had the discussion on meaning of media research, characteristics of media research, and significance of media research. The learning objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of creative strategy and advertising budget. The session outcome of this chapter is the students will be able to understand the creative strategy and advertising budget. Now let us know the meaning of advertising decision. Advertising decision making consists of objective setting, budget decision, message decision, media decision, and ad effectiveness evaluation. Advertisers should establish clear goals as to whether the advertising is supposed to inform, persuade, or remind buyers. Now let us know the major advertising decisions. First decision is objective setting. Second is budget decision. Third is message decision. Fourth is media decision. And lastly, it is the campaign evaluation. Now let us know objective setting. Developing an advertising program begins with setting advertising objectives. These objectives should be determined based on earlier decisions about the target market positioning and marketing mix. So here, first of all, the advertiser has to be clear in his objective. What is the purpose behind giving the advertisement? What objective he has got to achieve? Is it he is planning for increased profits, or is he planning for increase in customer base, or is he planning to increase the sales, or is he planning to create the awareness about the product in the minds of the consumer? Once he is clear in his objective, the rest of the steps becomes easy for him. That is, the decisions becomes easy for him to go ahead as it. So the second decision what he has got to take is budget decision. After outlining its advertising objectives, the company moves on setting its advertising budget for each product. Advertising aims at manipulating demand for a product. The company tries to spend the amount required to achieve the sales goal. Here, the advertiser has to see the objective what he has got to achieve. Depending on that, he has got to decide the investment to be made on the advertisement. That means to say he has got to plan his budget. And he should see to that he should plan his budget in such a way that his investment is going to be the minimum, but the returns what he is going to get must and should be maximum. So that is what is the budget decision he has got to take. Then the next comes message decision. Advertising strategy has two important components: creating advertising messages and selecting advertising media. Advertising messages must be better planned, more imaginative, more entertaining, more appealing, and more rewarding to the target consumers. Means to say here, the advertiser should be clear in deciding the message what he has got to convey to the consumers as well. So the message what he is planning to convey must and should be as much as possible. It must and should be very attractive, very pleasing, very pleasant, very good to hear, and it should be such a type of the message that in whatever the work the consumers are, they should be ready to forego that work and listen to the message. So that attentive the message must and should be what we are planning to communicate to our consumers. So this is the decision he has got to take. The next decision we have got is media decision. In this decision, the advertiser has got to select the advertising media. The advertiser also must choose a tone for the ad media selection. Involves 4 major steps, which are deciding on reach, frequency, and impact, choosing among major media types, Third is selecting specific media vehicles and designing on media timing. Then the next one is campaign evaluation. And lastly, to ensure the maximum effectiveness of advertising, the advertiser should regularly evaluate both the communication effects and sales. Now we have got media schedule. So media scheduling refers to the pattern of timing of an advertising which is represented as plots of a flowchart on a yearly basis. The plots in the flowchart indicate the pattern of periods that matches with favorable selling periods. Media scheduling depends upon a number of factors such as the nature of product, the nature of sales, the product life cycle, the pattern of competitors program, the entry of new competitors in the market, the availability of funds for advertising and marketing campaigns. Now let us know the advantages of scheduling. The first advantage is scheduling helps you get clear on your purpose. The second, it helps you identify crunch times. Third, it calendars your goals. Next, scheduling allows for the prioritization of tasks. Next, claps back against procrastination. Next, it helps you save money. Next, it keeps everyone on the same page. Next, it's good for your well being. And lastly, adds contingency time for the unexpected. Next, we have got disadvantages of scheduling. The first one is no central timesheet. Second is publish the schedule. Third one is labor cost. Next one is doesn't take finances into account. Then availability is not shown. And lastly, cannot be linked to an hour registration. Now we have got multiple choice questions. The first major advertising decision is objective setting, budget decision, message decision, media decision. So the answer is objective setting. Second, advertising messages should it be better planned or more imaginative or more entertaining or all of the above? So the answer is all of the above. The next question is to ensure the maximum effectiveness of advertising, the advertiser should regularly evaluate communication effects or sales or both communication effects with sales, or is it none of the above? So the answer is both A and B. Next, we have got media scheduling helps you save efforts, time, money, or none of the above. So the answer for this is money. Next, we have got media selection involves 2 steps or 3 steps or 4 steps or none of the above. So the answer is 4 steps. So the references that I have used here are some of the websites which I have displayed here. So let us conclude our today's session. Thank you.